Despite 32% more inventory this report over last year this same time, 42% more homes sold year over year. It's July 3rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Week over week, 33% more homes sold this report, and again at 100% of list price. The Baltimore metro area buyer activity is steady, with the highest buyer activity in Howard County right now. Charles County has the highest buyer activity in the southern market area. Both Montgomery and Prince George's counties are slow, and Frederick County is limited. Washington County is seeing high buyer activity, but both Allegheny and Garrett counties are slow. Coming soon, properties rose to 1,403. New listings rose 9.5% to 2,223 this report. Homes going under contract dipped 10.25% this report to 1,717 and are going under contract in 18 days. 2,024 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 10 days at a median $457,850. Rental properties available for lease are at 2,750 properties available, and these are priced at a median $2,600 per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for July 3rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a happy and safe Independence Day holiday. I'll see you next week. Take care.